who terrorized our people for so long.
Did you see how they
It's after time. Oh, yeah.
Did you see how they
We love you.
so sad we cannot stay? Jesus, I'm with you. Touch me, Jesus. Jesus, I'm on your side. Kiss me, Jesus.
There must be over 50,000 screaming loud and loud for you. Everyone, 50,000 will do whatever you ask him to. But keep them yelling their devotion and add a touch of hate and bone. You will rise to a greater power. We will win ourselves a home. You got power and glory forever and ever and ever. You got power and glory forever and ever and ever. Forever and ever. You got the power and glory forever and ever and ever. You got the power and glory forever
I don't know how to love him, what to do, how to move him. I've been changed, yes, really changed. In these past few days, when I've seen myself, I seem like someone else. I don't know how to take this. I don't see why he moves me. He's a man. He's just a man. And I've had so many men before in very many ways. He's just one more. Should I bring him down? Should I scream and shout? Should I speak of love? Let my feelings out. I never thought I'd come to this. What's it all about? Don't you think it's rather funny? I should be in this position. I'm the one who's always so calm, so no lover's fool, running every shore. He scares me so. I never thought I'd come to this. What's it all about? Yet, if he said he loved me, I'd be lost, I'd be frightened. I couldn't cope, just couldn't cope. turn my head, I back away, I wouldn't want to know. He scares me so, I want him so, I love him so.
Hosanna,
Hey woman, your fine ointments, brand new and expensive, should have been saved for the poor. Why has it been wasted? We could have raised maybe 300 silver pieces or more. People who are hungry, people who are starving, matter more than your feeding hair.
Try not to get worried, try not to turn on to problems that upset you. Oh, don't you know everything's alright? Yes, everything's fine, and we want you to sleep well tonight. Let the world turn without you tonight. If we try, we'll get by, so forget all about us tonight. Yes, everything's alright, yes.
Surely you're not saying we have the resources to save the poor from their lot. There will be poor always, pathetically struggling. Look at the good things you've got. Think while you still have me. Move while you still see me. You'll be lost. You'll be so sorry when I'm gone.
And I shall soothe you, calm you, and anoint you before your hot forehead. Oh, then you will feel everything's alright. Yes, everything's fine, and it's cool, and the ointment's sweet for the fire in your head and feet. Close your eyes, and relax. Think of nothing tonight. Close your eyes, and relax. Think of nothing tonight. Close your eyes, and relax. Think of nothing. Close your eyes, and relax. Think of nothing tonight. Close your eyes, and relax. Think of nothing
Jesus, I am overjoyed to meet you face to face. You've been getting quite a name all around the place. Healing cripples, raising from the dead. And now I understand your God. At least that's what you said. So, you are the Christ, you're the great Jesus Christ. Prove to me that you're divine. Change my water into wine, that's all you need do. And I know it's all true. Come on, King of the Jews. Jesus, you just won't believe the hit you made around here. You are all we talk about, the wonder of the year. Oh, what a pity, if it's all a lie. Still, I'm sure that you could rock them cynics if you try. So if you are the Christ, yes, the great Jesus Christ, prove to me that you're no fool. Walk across my swimming pool, that's all you need do. And I know it's all true. Come on, King of the Jews. I only ask things I'd ask any superstar. What is it that you have got that puts you where you are? I'm waiting, yes, I'm a captive fan. I'm dying to be shown that you are not just any man. are the Christ, yes, the great Jesus Christ. Feed my household with his bread. You could do it on your head, or has something gone wrong? Why do you take so long? Come on, King of the Jews. Hey, aren't you scared of me, Christ, Mr. Wonderful Christ? You're a joke, you're not the Lord. You're nothing but a fraud. Take him away, he's got nothing to say. Get out your king of the, get out your king of the, get out your king of the Jews.
Thank you very much for listening to us this afternoon. And the last song is the iconic title track, Superstar.
Every time I look at you, I don't understand why you let the things you did get so out of hand. You'd have managed better if you had a plan. Why'd you choose such a backwards time in such a strange land? If you'd come today, you'd never reach the whole nation. Israel in 4 BC had no mass communication. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know. Yeah, I only wanna know.
Jesus Christ, who are you? What have you said?
Who are you? the top. Now who'd you think beside yourself is the pig of your crop? Buddha, was he wearing tech? Is he where you are? Cut my arm and move a mountain, or else that could be you. Did you mean to die like that? Was that a mistake? Oh, did you know your master death would be your record breaker? Don't get me wrong, don't get me wrong, don't get me wrong, don't get me wrong. I only want to know, I only want to know, I only want to know, I only want to know. Jesus, woo. Yeah, come on and tell me, Lord, I only want to know who you are. Yeah. Whoa. Don't get me wrong. Jesus, I only want to know. Tell me, don't get me wrong. I only want to know, are you a superstar? Jesus, yeah, that you what you think that you are. Yeah, come on and tell me. I only want to know. I only want to know. Tell me. Tell me,